up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Marco here with Life in the Slow Lane, and right now we're at Slow Lane Customs. So in today's video, we'll be adding this Impala sunroof. One of my contacts, basically what he did was stowed it, I guess. Well, he basically just cut it with a little bit of skin left. That way, whenever we get to Pelota Drops Customs, all he's gonna do is cut out the hole and weld this baby in. They say this is the right way to do it. This is my first time installing a sunroof like this. These sunroofs, as you see, these sunroofs come with our drains, so that way it won't leak. When you don't add a sunroof with these water trays, you end up having leaking problems. So this right here is gonna get taken off too. Basically, we're just gonna have the glass on there. So the plan for today will be getting this installed and then going to my buddy Mario's shop. Well, we're gonna go visit my friend Mario. He's gonna help us do the headliner. You don't want to miss out. This thing is gonna come out dope. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Mario sauce, so you don't want to miss out on it. So the clock is ticking. We gotta get this done. So I see y'all when we get a Pelotas Drops. We are right now in Russellville, Arkansas. It was a 5 to 6 hour drive from my place. And we came all the way out here because we're gonna meet with one of my friends at his shop, Pelota Drops Customs. Y'all give him a follow, subscribe to his channel. And we're out here at the hotel we crashed in last night. We did a lot of driving in the dark, so we got here pretty late. But as y'all see, we got the truck on the trailer. And right now we're getting ready to head that way, so y'all stay tuned to see the awesome work this guy's gonna do on this truck. So I'll catch y'all when I get to the shop. So we finally pulled up to the shop. Let's go see what we'll get ourselves into today. I'm excited to see this project halfway done. So let's get to it. Pelotas Drops Customs. Already putting in work, huh?
Yeah.
So how you want us to back it in? Front or it don't matter?
Back.
Reverse it?
Reverse.
That red and black.
That's what they told me. these two right here. This one's up, up and down, in and out, whatever. And then if you do this, like that, and then she's black, it should just work without using this. So these right here should be power to anything, for it to go up or down. In the front.
Huh?
What tint does it have?
I don't know. It's dark though. Probably like a 5%.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, a 5. Damn. That's how the other guy was from, the guy that came from Memphis. I think his was darker than that. He said he had a 5 on there. I said, fuck this. Yeah, I don't know, it's gonna take it out anyways, because if I tack, it's gonna burn that.
Yeah.
That's too much of a curve right here though.
Like a little single cab. You just gonna tack it a little bit?
Yeah, and weld all the way through.
You can't? It'll burn?
It'll burn through and then it'll fucking be wavy as fuck.
Oh, okay.
Try to close this up as much as I can too.
See.
I want to use a grinder, but I guess I'm not to use it. You don't got another blade? Yeah. Get a new blade, it'll cut like butter. It's a blade?
Yeah.
The blade looks fucked up. Yeah, it was a blade. Yeah, it was.
You're not gonna use that?
Huh?
You're not gonna use that?
Yeah, you can't.
You can't?
This could be the hard back. Oh no. You have to hold it. It's better if you get in though. And then bolt it up. This one's in there. At least up to there. So that's still gonna look tight.
Yeah, still gonna be hanging out pretty good.
Yeah, fuck yeah. It's not gonna slide all the way unless if it does, man, it's gonna be fucking hard.
So we finally made it back to Slow Lane Customs. As y'all see, we finally got the roof installed. Let me show you the inside right quick. By the way, don't judge my seat. I gotta move the truck around somehow. But here goes the roof. It's finally installed. So basically all we did was just cut and welded this extra piece. Right now, guys, I'm about to go to the paint shop so we can start working on the body work for the roof. Start getting that Bondo, making it looking brand new, make it seem like it was factory. So let's head to the paint shop and I'll get with y'all when I'm there. Well guys, the way I'm driving is not safe, so I would not recommend to do this. If you have guys, we're finally gonna start wiring this sunroof up. My homeboy Pelotas, all he really did was just cut it out for me. And like I said earlier, you know, I was gonna come back and wire everything up. So that's what we're in the process of doing now, which is pretty simple, I think. Harness off the original car that we got the sunroof off of. We are only gonna use, I would say, 3 colors out of this harness, which that really powers our wire. And those 3 colors are red, yellow, and black, which obviously our black is ground and our red and yellow is going to be our power button. So let's get to it and show you what we're going to do. Alright guys, so we finally got our wires we need connected. Now it's time to install this and run this to up front to the battery. Haha, I got it, guys. Check it out, bro. Finally got it. We got our tubing we gotta hide. So if somebody installs you a sunroof and it does not come with this tubing and this back tubing back here, I haven't installed mine yet in the back, but it looks somewhat like this. This is a tubing we'll need. You can find this at your local hardware store, but honestly, it's not open all the way yet. We finally got the headliner installed too. Little sneak peek of the interior. Boom. There it goes. Now it's finally open all the way. So guys, as y'all see, we finally got the sunroof installed and finished. It was a little time consuming, but we finally got it. Took us a few days, but finally got it done. Now it's time to start on the next project, which will be the interior. I got a little sneak peek, but I'm gonna save it towards the end. So the Impala sunroof is finally installed. So what you guys think? Truck look nice with the sunroof. I know, I like it. It looks way better in person. Guys, that will be the end of this video. We will catch you on the next one. We got some bigger things coming for this truck, so you do not want to miss out. Might have some wheels, might have a custom interior. I don't know yet, and you will not know till you watch the next video. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one.